I think the whole premise of this application was basically to allow you to put some of your funds on autopilot and basically try to capture alpha as and when it is being generated on the back of political events in the US.
Hi Gili, lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you, Sadie.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself, your name, your username?
Sure, my name is Gili. On eToro, I'm Gili Wolff. I'm heading product for eToro on anything that has to do with the core trading functionality on eToro.
What investor problem were you trying to solve with this app?
Basically, what I'm trying to do is to make sure that investors can capture alpha as and when it appears, primarily on the back of Donald Trump and any political moving events.
Lovely. And in plain English, what does POTUS actually do?
POTUS, what it does, basically allows a trader or an investor to automatically act upon news as and when they happen. So it's basically an agentic trading platform that allows you to trade automatically based on whether it's war escalations or any tweet that President Trump will post on Twitter or social.
What's the biggest benefit for somebody using the app?
The biggest benefit is basically the ability to put the app on autopilot and let AI synthesize political events and translate them into trading opportunities, trade them automatically, rather than being the man in the middle that basically put friction and time between the event itself and between the time that you post the trade.
So, please could you walk me through an example? So say for instance, the president posts about tariffs at 7 a.m. What happens next?
So the signal is being picked up by the application and is being synthesized by AI powered by Grok and basically generates a trading signal and allows the user to either click and basically trade on the back of the trade, or if needed, or if trust is there, basically you can enable autopilot.
Is there anything more you could tell me?
I think the whole premise of this application was basically to allow you to put your, some of your funds on autopilot and basically try to capture alpha as and when it is being generated on the back of political events in the US. It removes the need to be on the screen all the time and try to be there when the news happens.
Thank you so much, and thank you for showing me your app.
Thank you so much.